My name is Pentti Hyttinen. I'm the region mayor of North Karelia. I would like to warmly welcome the Campus Europea to North Karelia, to Joensuu. It's very nice that you have selected Joensuu to your destination, one of the cities you visit during your tour. North Karelia, some words about our region. It is a very nice region for tourism. Now it's sunshine, it's midsummer, it's even a bit too hot for us at the moment. But when you come, it's supposed to be a little bit cooler at that time. Our region is famous for forests, famous for lakes. We have a lot of forest industries in our region. We have a lot of tourism in our region. If I tell just a bit about North Karelia, it is especially it is a border region. We are on the border of European Union and Russia, and there are actually 300 kilometers of common border with Russia. I have been told that the theme of your tour is to promote rights of students and especially promote and encourage people to study abroad. And it is a very good theme for your tour. Myself, I have been studying in the United States. It was about 20 years ago when I was as Rotary International Scholar in Texas, US, and it was a time I always remember in my life. I would like to welcome you again and see you in September here in North Karelia. Thank you.